Hello everyone, I'm Kay.
And I'm Lizelle. So today we're going to show you the all combination of Katakana alphabets and the combination with TenTen and Maru. Okay, let's begin.
Let's go!
First, the combination of all Katakana alphabets. How to combine the words is ki plus ya, make ya small and combine it together and becomes kya. Kya. Okay, then let's begin. Okay, are you ready, Kay?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's start. How to make kya kyu kyo is ki plus small ya, kya. Ki plus small u, kyu. Ki plus small yo, kyo. Next, how to make shashusho is shi plus small ya, sha. Shi plus small u, shu. Shi plus small yo, sho. Next, how to make chachucho is chi plus small ya, cha. Chi plus small u, chu. Chi plus small yo, cho. Next, how to make nyanunyo is ni plus small ya, nya. Ni plus small u, mu. Ni plus small yo, nyo. Next, how to make hya hyu hyo is ki plus small ya, kya. He plus small u, hyu. He plus small yo, hyo. Next, how to make nyamyumyo is mi plus small ya, mya. Mi plus small u, mu. Mi plus small yo, myo. Next, how to make ryo is ri plus small ya, rya. Ri plus small u, ryu. Ri plus small yo, ryo. Alright, so now we are done the combination of all Katakana alphabets. So next, the combination with TenTen and Maru. Okay, how to make gyagyu is kya plus TenTen, gya. Q plus TenTen, gyu. Kyo plus TenTen, gyo. Next, how to make jajujo is sha plus TenTen, ja. Shu plus TenTen, ju. Sho plus TenTen, jo. Next, how to make byabubyo is kya plus TenTen, bya. Hyu plus TenTen, byu. Hyo plus TenTen, byo. Last, how to make pyapyupyo is kya plus Maru, pya. Hyu plus Maru, pyu. Hyo plus Maru, pyo. Alright, so finally, we are done the all combination of Katakana alphabets and the combination with TenTen and Maru. Alright, so now let's practice pronunciation together.
Are you ready, Lizelle?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start. Kya, kyu, きょ、
きゃ、きゅ、きょ、
しゃ、しゅ、しょ、
しゃ、しゅ、しょ、
ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ、
ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ、
にゃ、にゅ、にょ、
にゃ、にゅ、にょ、
ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、
ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、
みゃ、みゅ、みょ、
にゃ、にゅ、にょ、
りゃ、りゅ、りょ、
りゃ、りゅ、りょ、
ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、
ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、
じゃ、じゅ、じょ、
じゃ、じゅ、じょ、
びゃ、びゅ、びょ、
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ。
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、
Okay, one more. きゃ、きゅ、きょ、
きゃ、きゅ、きょ、
しゃ、しゅ、しょ、
しゃ、しゅ、しょ、
ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ、
ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ、
にゃ、にゅ、にょ、
にゃ、にゅ、にょ、
ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、
ひゃ、ひゅ、ひょ、
みゃ、みゅ、みょ、
にゃ、にゅ、みょ、
りゃ、りゅ、りょ、
りゃ、りゅ、りょ、
ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、
ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、
じゃ、じゅ、じょ、
じゃ、じゅ、じょ、
びゃ、びゅ、びょ、
ぴゃ、びゅ、びょ、
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ。
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ。
Okay, perfect.
Thank you!
Okay, we are done writing and
Pronunciation of all katakana alphabets and combination with TenTen and Maru. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, this is Davao channel. I'm Lizelle.
I'm Kay.
Thank you for watching.
どうもありがとうございます。
See you again.
またねー。